Now here we have to find the common factors of 4, 8 and 12. In the previous video we have find that the factors of only two numbers. Now here are three numbers. Now first of all, factors of 4 are, first of all, divided by 1, then we get 4, then we will divide it by 2, then we will get 2. Means factors are here 1, 2 and 4. These are the factors of 4. So here we can write factors of 4, 1, 2 and 4. Now we will find factors of 8. Divided by 1, then we will get 8. Divided by 2, then we will get 4. And divided by 3 is not possible, so we will divide it by so there is no number, so only these are the factors 1, 2, 4 and 8. So factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Then factors of 12 divided by 1, then 12 divided by 2 it is 6, then 12 divided by 3 it is 4. Now factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now common factors you can see 1 and 2 and 4. So common factors are 1, 2 and 4. Now come on the next question. It is 5, 15 and 25. So we will write factors of 5 first. When we will divide it by 1, we will get 5. And no other number divide 5 because 5 is a prime number. So 15 divided by 1, we will get 15. 15 divided by 2 is not possible, so we will divide it by 3. 25 divided by 1, answer is 25. 25 divided by 5, because 2, 3, 4, 25 is not divisible. So these are the factors. Factor of 5 is 1 and 5. So we will write 1, 5. Then factor of 15, it is 1, 3, 5, 15. So 1, 3, 5 and 15. So 1 and it is 5. Then we will divide it by, then this 1, 5 and 25 is the factor of 25. So we will write factors of 25, 1, 5 and 25. So 1 and 5 is again common and no other is common. So common factors are 1 and 5. Now this is question number 3 of this same exercise. Find first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8 and 12 and 18. Now multiples means factors as we have done earlier, but multiples, for the multiples we will write the table, means 1s are 2s are 3s are 4s are, then these are the multiples. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, then 42, then 48, then 54 and then 60. After that multiples of 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72 and 80. Now here you can find common. It is 24 is common, first multiple. Then 48 is common. Now no other common, but we have to find 3, means we will make more numbers like 66 and 72. Then here you can see 72 is also a common multiple. So common multiples are 24, 48 and 72. Now come on the next question. It is 12 and 18. So multiples of 12 we will write first, then multiples of 18. So 12 1s is 12, then 24, then 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60. The table of 12 we are writing 72, 84, 96, then 108, and then 120. In 18 table, 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126, 144, 162 and 180. Now here we will find common. You can see 36 is common, then 72 is common, and then 108 is common. Means first three multiples, common multiples are 36, 72 and 108. In this way you can do it. Question number 4. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. So we have to find all the common multiples of 3 and 4 which are less than 100. So first of all we will write the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3, then multiples of 4. Then we will write table of 3 first. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. And then we will write table of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. Then we will find common. It is 12 common, then 24 common. Now here you can see common multiples are 12 and 24. But we have to write all the common multiples less than 100. So more common multiples are in the table of, here you can see the first common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. So all the common multiples will be the multiple of 12 here. So first multiple is 12, then 24, then 12 3 is a 36, then 12 4 is a 48, 12 5 is a 60, 12 6 is a 72, 12 8 is a 12 7 is a 84, 12 8 is a 96, or 12 9 is a 108, which is more than 100, so we will not take it. So these are the multiples 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, which are less than 100 and are common multiples of 3 and 4.